Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the claim, copy the exact wording, save screenshots, and note the date and source. Once done, run a quick web search for verbatim matches and use a reverse image lookup for visuals. Make sure to check the platform's context. Comments, captions, or timestamps often change meaning. While you gather, keep a short list of keywords and alternative spellings to expand the search. These immediate actions set up accurate verification without wasting time on anecdotes. Next, you dig deeper. Locate the primary source or original media and compare it with what's circulating. Once you find originals, inspect metadata, timestamps, and any edits or crops. This reveals manipulation or misattribution. Make sure to evaluate the publisher's track record and search news archives for corroboration. If multiple credible outlets report the same facts independently, confidence increases. Keep taking notes of discrepancies and save sources. This evidence matters when you explain your conclusion. Finally, you decide. Label the claim confirmed, disputed, or unverified, and summarize the why in one clear sentence. Once done, present the key evidence and note any remaining gaps so others can follow your logic. Make sure to archive your sources and state confidence level. If you hit a dead end, change search terms, check non-English sources, or reach out to subject experts. This troubleshooting step often turns an unverified item into a clear verdict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.